Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing that soap, yes, the lightning herbal lightning soap. So y'all know the reason why I've been mentioning this actually to a couple of my friends, and they wanted me to do it and show them how to do it. Pardon me, I'm still in my house coat. It's still morning here in the UK, and yes, I'm still in my house coat, so I decided to do this before I get on with my other things I'm supposed to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and introduce everything that I'm going to be using for this lightning soap. And the reason why I'm doing this thing, that I'm motivated to do it, is because I have used, if you check my review down there, Atlanta Samena Fresh, I used the black soap and it's so good on my skin, so I loved it. So I did I don't know if you saw the video. If you've not seen it, you need to go and see it. I did my own shampoo using the black soap. So this is the leftover soap, and my own soap has finished. So I had it here and I'm like, why not? I can actually make my own soap by myself. So I went ahead to purchase the ingredients that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. This is vitamin C serum right there for lightening your skin and things like that, skin therapy, something like that. And this is red sandalwood powder. This is rose petals flower, rose petals, the normal rose, you know. Yes, and this is turmeric, which I'm using in my kitchen, so I cut it open already. And this is kojic acid powder, which is natural. So everything I'm using here today is natural. There's no chemicals, there's no harsh chemical whatsoever. They are all natural ingredients. And this is hyaluronic acid powder. And then this is goat milk soap bar. I have 3 of them today, and I'm going to be using them. I have vitamin E oil right here, vitamin C and vitamin E oil. I have vegetable glycerin right here that I've used. I have golden jojoba oil or jojoba oil, which one you call it. I have sweet almond oil, and the reason I have all this oil is because black soap tends to stripe away all the oil from your skin. It dries your skin off. So to obviously make it up and to balance it, you have to add a lot of oil into it. And I have this skin therapy oil, which is used for scars, stretch mark, dry damaged skin, unveiled skin tone, and aged skin. I did a review of this product, which is for stretch mark, and I used it and it worked wonders. So I'm going to be adding a lot of it, because all these ingredients, and I have not used it specifically, it could be in one of the soaps or cream that I use, but then because I'm using it raw, I have to obviously find something that will help me prevent that in the making. So this is orange peel and lemon peel. I blended them myself. I dried it out in room temperature and I blended it myself. This is carrots, blended carrot juice. I'm gonna obviously strain it. That's what I'm gonna be using. And this is honey, runny honey that I'm gonna be using. I got it from Costco. And what else? This is my the pack of my essential oil. There are a lot of them in here: lavender oil, lemon essential oil, peppermint essential oil, and then my tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is very important. It helps you, takes away, like, it has a lot of antioxidant. It helps you prevent any rashes or any breaking or whatever that will happen to your skin while using this. So yes, permit me to start. I'm talking way too much. Anything I didn't show you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you that later on while I'm adding them to my bowl. So I'm going to be using this transparent bowl. I know there may be stain on my hands or whatever, but never mind. This is just £1, so I throw it away and I get another one. Doesn't matter. Hey guys, so I'm done discounting this, shredding it, and I'm gonna be doing the same thing to this goat milk soap. This goat milk soap has coconut oil, jojoba oil, gouta, gallagine, rice milk, vitamin C and vitamin E, and some fragrance into it. Hey guys, so I am done doing this. The soap is ready right here. So the next thing I'm gonna do, the only way to dissolve this to turn into the moisture, the consistency I want, is just to this is hot warm water. I'm gonna turn the oven and I will put it like this and then cover it up. So like this is going to so I'm gonna put this in on low heat, just in the number 3. Leave it like that and cover it up for some time, and it will get soft. So to make it quicker, I'm going to be adding either honey or vegetable glycerin. It helps to melt it down on time. So I'm just going to wipe the cover of the pot so that there won't be any moisture getting in there like that, unnecessary moisture. So I'm going to be using vegetable glycerin because I think it's quicker, just to make it faster like that. Okay, I haven't got a measurement, like I'm not sure what amount I should put, but I'm just going by the size of the soap I have down here. So I'm going to be using this spatula to help turn and mix it together, or turn it around rather. Hey guys, so it's been hours and hours and hours since then, and this is the outcome. This is what it has looked like. I love the outcome. I left it in that water, hot water, and covered it, and this is what it looks like after that. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all the whole ingredients that need to be added. So I'm gonna add honey to this. I've added a little bit of honey before, while I was cooking, steaming it, so I do not have to add too much to it, so that it will lather at the end of the day. I added this here also when I added it, but I'm just going to add a little bit more to it, just like that, because we're making a soap. So if it's a cream, it would have been different. This is a soap, so yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead and add this jojoba, golden jojoba oil to this, and that will be it. And I'm going to go ahead and add my almond oil. Sorry, just put my phone in silence. Right, okay, and that, so that it will lather at the end of the day. And I'm gonna go ahead and add this therapy oil, which is going to help for stretch mark.
if there is any stretch mark or this is gonna cause anything like that, I'm going to. So I want to get a sieve juice. So I'm gonna put everything in here and I'll make sure I use my bare hands. So this is pure carrot juice. There's nothing, literally nothing in it. So just like that. Yeah, that is about that as far as that is concerned. Okay, I'm gonna use a different sieve actually, a different one because that one is wet. I'm gonna use a bigger one to sieve the So I said this is orange peel. I made it myself, orange and lemon peel. So I'm gonna put it here just to sieve it out because I'm not sure if it blended completely the way I would have loved it to blend. So here goes.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
So guys, there's still lump inside it. It's not yet smooth, so I'm gonna still keep it. It's gonna be here till tomorrow, and then I'm gonna make sure I package it, put it in a container, and I'll show you the final look. So please stay tuned and let's get to it. Thank you for sticking around. This is not easy, you know, but I know if you try it, it will be easy. So stay tuned and let's get this skin lightening cream glowing. Let's glow together, y'all. Hey guys, so this is few hours later again. I have gone to shower with this thing because I could not wait, so I had to take a little bit of it to go and shower. It lathers very, very well, which I love, and obviously, like, I love it. It's so pretty. Like, it feels relaxing. You know, the mint oil that is in there, like when you're bathing, you feel that minty, like relaxing kind of thing, and I really love it. There's tea tree oil that makes you feel so good. Like, the sensation, like everything you get is just amazing. And this is it, the outcome. It lathers a lot. That's one thing I love about it. So I put it in this container and I'm gonna leave it aside to obviously keep getting fermented if it's what it is, like keep mixing together and all that. This is a closer look and I love it so much. So yes guys, this is everything. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next other video. I can't wait to show you guys what my result is when my skin will start glowing, like, you know what I mean, like it's glowing already, like okay guys, thank you so much. Let me not get too excited. I'll come back and show you guys the outcome of this. Let me know down below if you want me to come back with the results or things like that, and I will be happy to do that. Thank you so much once again. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your family, everybody you know. You can do this video on this particular soap on your own and start selling it. It's a business idea, you know, so please share with anyone that you know that needs it. Subscribe, like, and comment down below what you want me to do next in my next other video, and I'll be happy to do it, definitely. And thank you so much for your time, and I will see you later. Peace.